Hello students, I hope you all are safe at home. Today I am going to explain you lesson number 15 and the name of the lesson is government. Our country India is the largest democracy in the world. Elders do the administration and management of the home. Similarly, the administration of a country is done by the government. We hear the word government in daily newspapers, television, or in conversation. Government is needed to run the administration of the nation and to take decisions. Government works in the planned way for the development of the country. Keeping constitution in mind, for nation, reformation and implementation is done by the government. The government of our country is elected through voting by people. Children, you can see in the picture 15.1, cutting off newspaper. Seeing the above picture, we can know about various functions, decisions and advertisement of the government. We can get information about various functions of the government by reading daily newspapers and magazines available in our surroundings. Democracy means of the people, by the people, for the people. In democratic system of governance, government holds the foremost place. Next topic is our country, our government. Our country is a country of diversity. Ours is the largest democracy in the world with the maximum number of voters. Due to the vastness and diversity of the country, it is difficult to manage from one place. That's why government works at various levels to administer smoothly against some problems and difficulties. Local self-government, state government and central government work in the democratic system of governance. Observe and understand. Local government takes the charge of village or city. State government takes the charge of entire state. Central government takes the charge of entire nation. Government is necessary at various levels. These ways of governance are very useful for formation and implementation of rules. We have learned about government and its various levels. These levels are useful for development and maintenance of law and order. Democratic system has been adopted in our country. In the context of government and governance, depending on its structure, variations are seen in governance system. Next is types of governments. Our country has democratic system of governance. All the countries in the world do not have democratic system. Let us understand the types of government found in the various system operating in countries around the world. Next is democratic government. In this system of government, people elect their representative through voting. The government is formed by the winning candidates. Government functions keeping the public in the center in the democracy. Local government, state government and central government are formed through the election. In some countries, chief ministers or prime minister is elected by the elected representative in democracy. In some countries of the world, presidential democracy is seen. In India, there is a parliamentary democracy. It is said for democracy that government is run by the people directly or indirectly through election. There is no alternative of democracy for protection and formation of human rights. Thus, democratic government is very important for the all-round development and rights of the people. In democratic government, people play an important role. Government also works for the people. The tenure of elected government in our country is 5 years. Now children, in my next video I will explain you the further topic. Thank you.